and welcome to my move-in vlog. I'm in my second year at UCLA, and this year I'm living at Reber Terrace in a plaza triple with a shared bathroom. I was able to move in a week earlier than the regular move-in week because I have a job on campus and needed to attend my training. The campus felt really quiet, but I was fortunate enough to have had an easier move-in process because there was almost no traffic on the hill. The first thing I did when I moved into my room was make sure my desk and shelf were aligned properly. Then I sanitized all of the surfaces using some Clorox wipes I brought from home. Then I made my bed. In order, I put on a mattress cover, a mattress protector, a thin blanket, and the main blanket. I didn't bring a mattress topper because I prefer to sleep on harder surfaces. However, I do recommend bringing one if you like softer beds. After making my bed, I organized my cabinets. Then, for the next 30 minutes, I organized my closet. After dinner, I decorated my desk. For context, the lighting for the desk becomes really dark because of the lofted bed. So, I put up LED lights behind the bookshelf to create this really cool backlight.